Hello, people. I want to officially welcome you guys to DigiMeji TechHub. Just want you to know that you're not just entering a building, you are stepping into a world of limitless possibilities. I mean, each of you, with your unique backgrounds and dreams, you've been here. It's a great opportunity for you. And I want you to also know that we thank you for entrusting us with your money, with your time, for believing in this company to guide you through your tech journey. At DigiMeji TechHub, you're not just going to learn about digital environments, you are going to live and breathe it. More than anything, you are going to discover strengths that you never knew you had. And as you learn and grow here, always ask yourself, how can I use these skills to make a positive impact? Your classmates, they're not just going to be your peers, they're going to be your future collaborators, because here we're going to teach you how to collaborate, how to work as a team. Imagine yourself a year from now. Think about all the knowledge you will have gained, the projects you will have completed, the obstacles you will have overcome. That future version of you, is why you are here today.